You ever notice how the edge between chaos and order is usually about 6 inches wide? Today, we're working right on that line. Roadside edging. Heavy dirt, stubborn leaves, and traffic reminding us to stay humble. A good lawn doesn't start with mowing. It starts with the edge. And out here by the road, one wrong step and you're part of the traffic report. But one clean line can make the whole property look cared for. So let's straighten things out.
Alright, making progress. We got all the junk up into the side here. Gonna rake some of this down real quick, and I think Breydon's gonna go grab the mower, kind of mulch that in, and then we will go grab the edger, the sidewalk edged up, and we'll blow it up and call it good. What do you think, Breydon? I said, what do you think?
About?
Everything.
It's hot.
It is.
It's muggy.
And yet, wearing a long sleeve.
I am.
You like to hold all that sweat in there.
I really do.
You like to recycle it.
It's good for the body.
You like to sweat it out and absorb it back in.
Actually, I will say, no matter how hot it is, I'm actually pretty cold right now. Ooh. Because I retain all the moisture.
You're always cold. Ooh, Shane's doing something with a weed eater. Alright.
You probably should go capture.
I probably should maybe go do
not
something.
Really a lot.
Well, I gotta rake all this crap in. So, alrighty. Alrighty guys, here we go. Now it's not perfect, but over time it will get better. Continue maintaining it, of course. This should help the drainage a bit too, because clogging up this area pretty good, I bet. At least not helping anything. That is that. Looks much nicer for the road. Alrighty guys, well, we appreciate anybody who's still watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And we'll hopefully see you all in the next one.